Hello viewers, welcome. This is World Olympiad Mathematics. Another fantastic day for mathematics, day 59. Regularly daily updates for challenging questions, challenging contest, World Olympiad, Junior Olympiads, RMO, JMO, Kangaroo, local Cat 1, Cat 2, University Olympiad Mathematics, regional mathematics, provincial mathematics, zonal mathematics, all type of challenging question, my GS training session. Today day 59. බොහොම ස්තුතියි හැමෝටම දිගටම අපිත් එක්ක රැඳී ඉන්නවා. දිගටම මේ ප්‍රශ්න බලනවා, හදනවා. Very good, nice. அனைவருக்கும் நன்றிகள், வாழ்த்துக்கள். தினமும் காத்திருக்கிறீர்கள், நிறைய வினாக்கள் செய்கின்றோம். மிகவும் பிரயோசனமான வினாக்கள் ஒக்கும world wide mathematics, not only local, all not a school textbook work, some out of challenging logical reasoning, some skills of mathematics. Okay, today the big day. I have to work 3 questions here. Day 59. Already I worked nearly 100 questions all up to now. Okay, the newcomers, thank you so much. After view these, subscribe and share all over the world. Whoever it is, no problem, because all in English, Tamil and Sinhala, all type of explanation here can get. Okay, see my first question. Today I'll work some that numerals, the highest common factor, factorizing numbers, prime numbers, factorization, highest common factor, or G.C.D, greatest common divisor, LCM, lowest common multiple. අද අපි අර වගේ ප්‍රශ්න කීපයක් බලමු, most suitable for challenging problems for junior Olympiads, Cat 2, Cat 3 ළමයි, Cat 1 ළමයි. වඩාත්ම සුදුසු මේක. Nice, I have selected today 3 problems under that, as I mentioned earlier, highest common factor, lowest common multiple, or greatest common divisor type. Okay, come back. My first question, first to read the problem properly. LCM of A comma B, right? A and B are 2 values. A and B 2 values, 2 numbers, natural values. They are LCM, lowest common multiple. පොදු ගුණකාර, කුඩා පොදු ගුණකාර AB 180යි. පොදු මඩංගල සිරියද. Highest common factor, මහා පොදු සාධක, පෝකාපේ පොදු කාරණිகளில் பெரியது. Aக்கும் Bக்கும் 9. So 2 numbers are there, A comma B. LCM is 180. Highest common factor is 9. So maybe you have done a lot of problem in primary class mathematics. Some values are provided 16 and 20. Find the LCM, find the HCF, or find the G.C.D. 5, 20, 30. Find the LCM, find the G.C.D. That is straightforward junior mathematics. Here something different. The idea is similar, but some tricky part here. Okay, we'll see. So LCM of A comma B 180, highest common factor of the same 2 values 9. So find the minimum value of A plus B. A ධන B අවම අගය සොයන්න. A සහ B யின் இழிவு பெருமானத்தை காண்க, right? இழிவு பெருமானத்தை காண்க. Okay. So you see the question. Let's just read the problem properly. ඔන්දටම බලන්න ළමයි. LCM A comma B 180, highest common factor AB also 9. Therefore most of these values are multiples of 9 වෙන්න ඕනේ. Some think you can think පොඩි idea ගන්න අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම A and B 9 ගුණකාර වේවා, 9, 18, 27, maybe like, because highest common factor is 9, right? HCF also, see LCM. Therefore, see my method. Can I take A is 9x කියලා ගන්නම්. A equal 9x කියලා කියමු. එතන 9k. Multiples of 9 වෙන්න ඕනේ. Can you agree this? අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම එක 9 ගුණකාර වෙන්න ඕනේ, because this මේ දෙකටම 9 is there, right? ரெண்டுக்கும் 9 இருக்குது. எனவே ரெண்டுமே 9 இன் மடங்குகளாக இருக்க வேணும். So what is B answer? Also the 9y, is it 9y? Okay, 9y කියලා ගන්නම්. Therefore, I want to find my x value, y value. ඒ දෙක මම හොයන්න එපාය. Okay, so how to get that case? So I use the LCM knowledge. They given LCM, lowest common multiple. කුඩා පොදු ගුණකාර පොදු මඩංගල සිරියද A, B LCM දෙනවා නේද 180. Okay, A, B LCM is 180. The same time A, B highest common factor is 9. Highest common factor is 9. Then the question is find the A plus B minimum value. Okay, palamu C value LCM. So can I write A4 9x කියන්නම්? Okay, comma B4 9y. They said 180. Okay, so you forget the 180 අපොඩ අමතක කරලා අද கொஞ்சம் மறந்து போயிட்டு பாப்போம். 9x, 9y, what the LCM? 9x, 9y, what the primary algebraic LCM පාඩම කරන්න දැන් මම. 9x, 9y LCM is what? 9xy. Okay, 9xy තමයි මේ දෙකට පොදු ගුණකාර නේද? 180y, right? Okay, එහෙමනම් ළමයි x into y, what is 20. Okay, x multiple y is 20, right? X multiple y is 20. එතනින් අපිට පුළුවන් what are the probable answer for x and y, right? What are the probable answers for x and y? Can I write here? Can you say this? Okay, x and y. What are the chance for x and y? They gives multiple 20, but you need small value of the x and y because a b minimum. A plus b එකතුව අවම අගේ වෙන්න ඕනේ. A සහ b ඉලිව පරිමාණම් තතන් කටර කරාංගල් minimum value to be evaluated, right? Then you can find some values. If I say x is 4, y is 5, the multiple is 20. Okay, otherwise other side this is 5, you make a 4 20, or 1 into 20 20. Okay, and furthermore 10 times 2 20, or 2 times 20 20. So many 20s are available if you multiple the both. Okay, you see where the small number comes when you add these. So minimum numbers, minimum. So the here 1 times 20 20, 10 times 2 20, all multiples. Okay, so minimum value. So this is 9x. You see a 4 minimum chance made the x is 1, y is 20, big value. X is 10, y is 2. So minimum value is it 4 and 5 or 5 and 4? Minimum possible for the x and y, 4 or 5, or 5 otherwise 4, right? Minimum chance for the x and y. Therefore x is 4, y is y tama aduma සංඛ්‍ය දෙකම අඩු වෙන්න ඕනේ. දෙකම minimum ගන්න ඕනේ. Make that y is big value 20. Here this both very high value. So 4 and 5, right? X is 4, y is 5, right? We can take this value from here. Therefore, x is 5 and y is 4. The x is 5, y is 4. Okay. Now come what is, I mentioned x and y. In the problem no xy, right? So what is A answer? 9 times x. Therefore, A equal 9 times x 45. Okay. And what is B answer? If I take y is 4, 9 times 4 36. Okay, A 45, B 36. Okay, A 45, B 36. Can you agree this? Balamonika, what the LCM? Lowest common multiple 180. Okay, what the highest common factor? 9. Okay, therefore the answer minimum of the A plus B. When AB takes minimum, or my solution XY takes minimum, both දෙකම අඩු සංඛ්‍යාව. So එකතු කරාම ළමයි කීයද? 6 and 5 11. 6 and 5 11. One rest here 5 81, right? Minimum value of A plus B is 81, right? Is the first question involving highest common factor and lowest common multiple. Okay, we'll see second question. So read the second question properly. But the second question here, my today's second problem. If highest common factor A comma B 6, there are two numbers. Eke maha podu sadhaka podu karanigalil periyadu 6. One data, right? And A plus B over A minus B is 14 over 9, right? Then find the value of AB, okay? A multiple B age soyamu, right? A யும் B யும் பெருக்கப்பட்ட விடைய கேட்கிறாங்கள் மாணவர்கள். Okay, we'll see how to calculate the similar fashion as I mentioned earlier. So what can you say? Highest common factor A comma B 6. Dekatama podu biggest podu karani that. So we can find A separately, B separately, and we can go to the multiplication of AB. Okay, we'll see why this is provided. Metani monare adahasa ganda puluwa. See, can I rearrange that? Nevata parak liyandala mai cross multiple karla balanda. 9 into A plus B, okay, equal 14 times A minus B, right? Therefore, here 9B plus 14B this side, the other side 14A minus 9A, right? I rearrange how many A's equal to how many B's, right? Therefore, I think here what 23, the 23B equal, this is 5A, right? 23B equal 5A. So as a result, I can take the values A, B as a ratio format. Metana podi adahasa gandala my A in terms of another pattern, B in terms of another way. Because we need the A comma B, highest common factor is 6, right? Therefore, can I rearrange this one? B over 5, okay, equal A over 23. We use something, the sine rule, trigonometry, properties of triangle, sine rule, or some ratio workout I mentioned like this. B divided by 5, other side 20. I say K. Can I take this is K, right? Say K, okay? Therefore, this equal to this, A equal to 23K. 23 multiple K. A prime number multiple K, right? And take the first and the last. B equal 5 times K. 5 is a prime number. Another K is available, right? Okay. Now come this highest common factor workout. They have provided highest common factor is of A comma B is they say 6, okay? That means highest common factor of what is A, 23K, comma, what is B, 5K. Harida, it is saman R, right? It rendukum mahapodu sadhaka visitunai multiple K. 5 multiple K. Rendu perikapattu highest common factor. Podu karanigalil periyadu. Therefore, simple case. What is K stands for then? Tuwa me dekadama podu uparima lokune mahapodu sadhaka api kiyanne. Therefore, my K is 6. Is it K is 6? You will find the K for 6. Because the 23 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, multiple by K. Multiple by, they said answer is 6. Therefore, me etule dekema 60 antone. Podu 60 antone. Therefore, K is 6. That's all, amai. Therefore, write what is your A answer. Therefore, A equal 23 multiple 6. What is that? 6 times 3, 18, 1 rest. 12, 138, right? A answer 138. What is B answer? 5 times K. You know, K is 6, B 30. Huh? B is, can you see this? B is 30. B is 30. A is 138, okay? Therefore, what the problem? Find the value of A multiple B. So multiple and get the answer. 138 multiple 30. 138 multiple 30 is, I think, 4140 something. Multiple and check. Yes, 4140. So on the Prashna Lamai, my target. Here after similar problem, there are any Junior Olympiad or Cat 1, Cat 2 Lamai. You can see this the how the relation between the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple, or G.C.D. My third question I mentioned G.C.D. Some international problem they use G.C.D. greatest common divisor. ඒ වගේ මහ පොදු සාධක තමයි GCD. පොදු කාරණි period. Okay. Come to my third question. See the problem. First to read properly the questions, the idea, collect an idea how to solve. This is all my today, day 59. Thank you so much all the viewers. Day by day we are improving. So many subscribers, so many viewers here. So very best mathematics channel. Those are facing any talented, high, complicated exam papers like Olympiad or mathematical contest forms. Very useful this platform, right? Come here. Here A is the smallest, B medium, C is the biggest. A less than B less than C are natural numbers, right? Are natural numbers, ordinary Nibila Sankhya, Yakengel, and greatest common divisor of AB. HCF tamai, right? Highest common factor, or G.C.D. Greatest common divisor of A comma B is 5, right? A comma B is 5. The same as greater common divisor of B comma C is 4. Then the problem is what the smallest number, smallest answer, numeral, Aduma Sankhya A plus B plus C, what the smallest value? Okay. This is some technique you think and divide, tell the answer. A and B are two values, natural number. In this both, B is the bigger. B is the bigger. So, both HCF 5. Highest common factor 5. Therefore, I assume that A is 5, B is 10. Okay, A is 5, B is 10. Then if you think 5 and 10 only, greatest common divisor 5. That's correct. Because they say A and B, B is the greater. And now you come here, B and C, C is the biggest. Their highest common factor is 4. Their highest common factor 4. Therefore, B should be a multiples of 4 neither. B வந்து 4 காரணியாக இருக்க வேண்டும் மாணவர்களே. B should be a multiples of 4. හතරේ ගුණකාර තියන්න ඕනේ. So therefore, I can't take 10. I can't take 10. දෙකම satisfy වෙන්න ඕනේ. இரண்டும் திருப்தியாக்க வேணும். You should be both satisfied here. A, B here, B, C both satisfies. So if I say 10 here, 10 becomes incorrect. So think about this one. What another? Can I say 20? I take 20, check will you? A5, B20. A, B is bigger. A5, B20. Then B is bigger, the highest common factor, greatest common divisor 5. Okay. And now here come here, what happened? B, I say 20, B is 20, C there. Highest common factor 4. 24 is available. 24 is available. Factor of 4. Divisor of 4. C is the biggest number. So next number by 4. 24, 28 and so on. So can I say C is 24? C is 24. B is 20. Check will you? But the highest common factor 4. If anybody say take 28. 28 highest common factor. There's the minimum value. Minimum. Small number endone. 28 can take. Yes. What about that 32? Yes, 32 also can take. But small number, whatever the challenging problems, whatever full concentrate should be in the problem. Therefore, what are the small values? A equal 5. Nice questions today. B equal 20. C equal 24. So, 49, right? Very interesting. First time I am working this day 59 history about this highest common factor, lowest common multiple, or otherwise greatest common divisor. A fantastic question, useful for the Olympiad junior type, or no matter whatever, whoever it is. Okay, thank you so much. We'll see tomorrow, 60th day, maybe 2 months period tomorrow. So challenging questions. I also challenge this to training you. I got challenging that achievement to give you highest qualification as me or known or what else I know, the method of mathematics or type of question, world international type. තෝරා බේර අපිත් හදලා බලලා අලුතින් ක්‍රියාත්මක කරලා අලුතින් හදාගන්න උපරිම සපෝට් එක දෙනවා. උපරිම ප්‍රයෝජන ගන්න ස්කූල් ළමයි or university or teachers la, madam, whoever it is, share it all over the world because this is World Olympiad Mathematics. Okay, bye.